In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the team field in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to optimize your workflow, understanding how to effectively use custom fields can make a significant difference. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide on setting up and using the team field. To get started, open Jira and navigate to the settings. You can find this by locating the gear icon, which is usually in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll want to move over to Work Items, then select Custom Fields from the options available. This section is essentially the heart of where all your custom field configurations happen. Once you're in this area, your next step is to search for the team field. You can do this by utilizing the search bar or simply by scrolling through the available list of fields. Once you've found the team field, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll notice three little dots next to the field's entry. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options to choose from. From this menu, you need to select Associate to Screens. This is a key step because it allows you to choose which screens, or, in simpler terms, which types of issues, will have the team field available for use. After making this selection, a window will pop up, prompting you to decide where you want the team field to be associated. This is a fantastic opportunity to customize Jira to better fit your specific project setups. Take a moment to review the list of issue screens and select those where you think you'll need the team field. Once you're satisfied with your selection, go ahead and hit Update to save your changes. Now, let's transition over to your project board. Head back to your dashboard or wherever your specific project resides in Jira. Open up any Jira issue you're currently working on. You might notice that, depending on your configuration, the team field is not immediately visible. If that's the case, simply click on More Fields to expand the available options. Within this expanded section, you should find the team field ready and waiting for you. Click on the field to activate the drop-down menu, which will display a list of available teams. This list is typically curated based on your organization's setup, so you should see teams that are relevant to your projects. Select the appropriate team for the issue you're editing. This action is really helpful in associating specific tasks or issues with the right team members, which greatly helps in streamlining communication and tracking responsibility. Finally, after selecting the team, make sure all your changes are confirmed by clicking Save. This is a final but vital step to ensure the update sticks. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through setting up and using the team field in Jira, enhancing your project management capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to stay tuned for more tech and project management tips.